What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and I'm in one of my favorite places in the world, Beverly Hills. And today we're in this beautiful mid-century home that overlooks Hollywood, and we are checking out some of the latest smart home tech products from MOVA. MOVA started making products in 2024 and have built an extremely strong ecosystem of smart home products from their robot vacuum lineup. In today's case, we're gonna be heading out to the yard and the pool to check out their new pool cleaner, lawnmower, outdoor TV, and outdoor power system as part of a strong setup that automates processes of your home inside out. I'm a recent homeowner, and I spend all day not only loving the home, but I spend just as much time thinking about the anxieties of maintenance, how much everything's going to cost on a regular basis, how to optimize that, how to save some time so I can actually enjoy the home instead of spending all my time cleaning it, maintaining it, and doing some of the yard work. So it's cool to be able to see what this technology is able to do, how fast it is growing, and how much it has improved already. So let's go ahead and walk in this home and show you guys a little bit more. We're out in a place that has probably some of the best weather, and so there is a lot of focus on outdoor products. Whether it is robot lawnmowers or robotic pool cleaners, you've got it all. And so this is the perfect backdrop to be able to demonstrate to you some very exciting products that are really shaping the future of automating your entire home maintenance experience. So when it comes to the robot lawnmowers, we're checking out the LiteX Ultra 1000, 2000, and 3000. The 1000 and 2000 is meant for smaller yards. It can do 1/4 of an acre on the 1000 and 1/2 an acre on the 2000, and it comes in at a relatively compact form factor for a robot lawnmower. This is a model that has a lot of smart technology. It features a 360-degree 3D LiDAR, which is the dome that you see on the top, as well as a HDR AI camera that is located on the front. They do an incredible job focusing on obstacle avoidance. So whether you have stones, different boundaries, even animals running around, it will make sure it avoids it to not cause any damage to the machine or whatever it could run into. And with the AI-assisted auto mapping, there are no boundaries required. It automatically scans and maps your lawn, and you're ready to go in minutes. You get about 60 to 80 minutes of runtime on the 1000 and 70 to 90 minutes of runtime on the 2000. And it has a 45% max slope, which is about 24 degrees. So in the lineup of different offerings, it really comes down to the size of your lawn, the slope as well. If you have a very large slope, then you might want to look into the 3000 model, which is what we're going to check out right now. And here is the flagship, the MOVA LiteX Ultra 3000. I mean, this looks like a serious machine, and it's able to cover yards of 3/4 of an acre and up to 1.5 acres. And it does so with a lot of the same technology that you see on the LiteX Ultra 1000 and the 2000. It features the Ultra View 3.0, a 360-degree LiDAR, a dual AI camera system for detecting objects, and just like everything else, it has a wireless mapping that only takes minutes, and it's done straight from your device and as it navigates around. You don't have to deal with having the RTK and the wired setup that I've had to deal with some of the larger systems. This model in particular has a few additional features, being the flagship. It has very heavy-duty terrain wheels, and it's able to do slopes of 80% or 36.8 degrees. It is also very precise, able to trim gaps under 3 centimeters. It's also got real-time theft tracking that gives you real-time alerts and location, and it is also able to detect animals and objects. So if you have like a larger lawn or you have a bigger slope in your yard, then the LiteX Ultra 3000 all-wheel drive flagship is the one for you. I mean, because we're in this home, I want to talk about some of my favorite things, and I've always dreamed of having a home that has an atrium garden like this. A hallway that connects to the bedrooms and the living room right there. You're able to enjoy this private little area that just feels a bit more isolated than the front and back lawn. So moving on to the pool, this is the MOVA Diver A10, and it is an entry-level robotic pool cleaner that is able to cover all of the fundamentals and more in automatically maintaining your pool. It has a range of 1,900 square feet, which I would say is around the size of this pool right here, and with a 4-hour runtime, it is able to do an entire cycle on a single charge. What is special about this is that it not only has the ability to clean the bottom of the pool, but it is also able to clean the walls as well through the water line cleaning. The dual line scrubbing goes a little bit above the water line as it goes up the walls, getting rid of all of the residue that usually kind of piles up around the surface level. And with the 3.5 liter bin, it captures all of like the leaves and the fragments, but you also have the option to add a filter as well that is able to catch more elements like the dust. This is important just for general maintenance or before you hop in the pool, because if you have a pool, you know there's a ton of maintenance involved, and it's just one of those things where if you don't do the proper maintenance or you leave it for too long, it can end up being extremely costly and take all of the fun out of owning a pool. And so by collecting all of the large fragments and even debris and dust through a regular cycle, you can save yourself a lot of money in the long run and spend more time enjoying the pool itself by ensuring your filters and all that don't get clogged up because it's already being captured by something like the MOVA Diver A10. So this is the MOVA Full Sun Solera M1, and it is a TV that is meant to go outdoors. And if you're like sitting outside right now, we're taking a look at the lawnmowers, the pool cleaners, and all that kind of stuff. Imagining yourself just sitting on a pool bench and enjoying the sunlight. Having a TV just kind of completes that whole experience. One that is made for outdoor use not only has the impact and the weather resistance, whether it's against blunt force objects or rain, wind, and extreme temperatures, but on top of that, it has 2,000 nits of brightness to ensure you could still see what is on screen even in some of the brighter days. It also has streaming that is built in, so if you want to be able to set it up in a permanent setup next to your barbecue or next to the pool, or have it on a set of wheels like this and be able to move it around, plug it in, and still be able to stream content directly to it, it's a way to really take advantage of your outdoor experience by having something like this. And I hope to be able to have one in my home very soon. I'm all about trying to automate parts of my day. When it comes to maintenance, I like a clean home and I like everything to be perfect, but the bigger the home and the more outdoor space you have, the more maintenance it becomes. And I start to understand why. A lot of the times you're trying to debate whether you want the yard space and whether it's worth all the hassle, or you want something that is lower maintenance and a bit easier. As a recent homeowner, one of the things I've really had to learn is how quickly grass grows back. And if you don't upkeep it for a few weeks, it starts to look a little bit abandoned. And so it's been really cool to check out some of their new products, whether it is the Lidax 3000 all-wheel drive, the 2000 and the 1000, depending on the size of your yard, and knowing that there's a product that is suitable for you. But on the pool cleaner side as well, you have a more budget option that takes care of the fundamentals of pool cleaning that will make a drastic difference. But you also have a higher end model that does surface skimming as well and kind of takes that experience to the next level. And especially if you've invested so much in your pool, you want to spend time being able to use it as opposed to cleaning it and maintaining it all the time, which often takes away all of the joy of having certain amenities. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.